aim as oh buttocks. I'm gonna light that bit because my freaking food disappeared. Nah, that's pretty cool so far. Stressful, but it's alright. Ain't bad. I got some armor. These poor people. They don't even know what they're getting themselves. That's camp. Yeah. So like, how the heck? Oh, I got a set in here. Oh, that's cool. This flies are gross. I got 10 arrows. That's cool. Actually, cash, bud. I got flare sticks. I don't even know what I need those for. More arrows. Why did that one open? I hit it. Arrows. Arrow stick. Dude, I ain't liking these noises. Deer's coming out of nowhere. Nah, dude, nah. Dude, get away. Nah. Okay, how many arrows did I get? I got a lot. 30. It's not bad. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Open that. I got duct tape. Duct tape. Okay. Let me go back down to the water. Dude, why is there another? Oh, that's where it came from. Oh yeah, okay. Ah, man, why is there a statue? Or this thingy? Oh, gotta take a breath, gotta take a breath. There's like a lookout post. Oh, let me climb the rope. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I can't see that. Okay, how do I get down and go look over there? Wait a minute, I learned this. You can no. Take I got teeth, right? So I could take this. Ugh. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so that'll... Okay, so... Let's go. Dude, don't come out of nowhere like that. You're like I didn't swing at you. Flare sticks. Flare sticks. There's a boat out there. I don't like water. Dude, there's not. Oh no. Oh no, not another one of those guys. I'm gonna mess him up. I'm gonna mess him up. Where'd he go? There he is. What is this? Oh. Get out of the way. Where did he go? There he is. Should I like... I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. There's a shark. Poor shark. Why does he run like that? Hey, what's up? What you want? Hello? What's up, blood? I got him. Ew. That's kind of gross. Ew. Ew. Alright, let me actually... And then, poor guy. Alright, let me... Light it on fire. Nice. And then... Do this. Oopsies. Is it blueberries? Oh, word. Oh, that seagull? Oh, lucky I missed him. Oh, I need one more bone. Oopsies. There we go. Yeah, remember that, and then put that on. Yeah. That's what's up with it. Got my armor. Oh. Oh gosh. Sprint. It's a boat. It's a boat. I found a boat. Ooh, wait a minute. Oh, I can't get in that one. Do I get batteries? I don't need. Rook. What do I need batteries for? I got a snack. Some more. It's some more turtles. It's some more turtles. Sup, turtle? Alright, I'll let you do this time. Oh, why did it look like that? Gross. What the f is that? Wait a minute, is that that? Yeah. A cassette collected. Ooh. Spooky. Oh gosh. What's this? Yacht. See yacht. Oh. Gross. Blech. Missing Zachary, 12 years old. Why is that on a milk carton? Wait, hold up. Where did I put that? Where'd that go? Teddy bear. Open. Alright, whatever. Ew, what's that? Ugh, gross. I ain't trying to mess with that. No way in friggin' crap you're gonna get me to go anywhere near that thing. A cassette player. What does that say? Stronghold? Saw. Wait, can I listen to it? Play it. What's the other one? Yes, of that. Give me this back. Do I want speed or do I want damage? How much rope do I have? I got 4 rope. Why is that locked? I don't know. Wait, hold up. Remember my notes. Where's that teddy bear picture? Nah, that's up. I don't want to go anywhere near that thing. That thing could rot in hell for all I care. Set up defenses. Find missing plane passengers. Damn it! And push P. Let's play. Might just stay on the ship for a little bit. Don't mind me.